Survival Bug-Out Bags, BOBs, are designed to bridge the gap between danger and duration in the critical first 72 hours after a disaster. The category matters because the first 3 days often determine whether you can reach safety, access help, or sustain basic needs like water, food, warmth, and shelter. In this review, I tested and compared 5 pre-assembled BOBs from 5 brands that span a range of common user needs.
List number 1. 72-hour survival kit, emergency bug-out bag with first aid. TAC Preps delivers a premium 45-liter tactical backpack that prioritizes organized storage, rugged materials, and an all-in-one approach to sustainment. The kit emphasizes a complete hydration system, including a water filter and 12 pouches, and a robust tool suite with a solar-powered radio and light, multi-tool, and a 76-piece component set. The 45-liter pack is designed for comfort with multiple compartments, aiming to balance transportability with capacity for longer trips or multi-day emergencies. The kit includes long-lasting food options and a dedicated IFAC-style first aid kit, making it suitable for 2 adults in a vehicle or shelter scenario. In practice, the TAC Preps Elite Kit shines in preparedness parity. The combination of hydration filtration, solar radio, and the comprehensive tool set reduces the need for many add-ons. However, the absence of explicit shelf life details for the included foods, beyond general long-lasting claims, means real-world pantry planning may require substitution or augmentation. For 2 people, the 45-liter capacity supports a compact shelter, stove or cooking gear, and clothing layers, but weight management is essential given the included items, 9.87 kilograms. The 1-year warranty is a reasonable baseline for a kit in this category.
List number 2. Survival Kit. Recogix offers a broad 262-piece survival set designed for family use, including a crossbody bag with mole compatibility. The kit emphasizes a broad assortment of first aid supplies, a detachable multifunctional axe with hammer, a 2-in-1 shovel with pick, a tent, and lighting options. The intent is to provide a turnkey solution for first 72 hours across multiple family members, with a focus on rapid shelter construction and basic sustenance through included fire-starting gear, a collapsible water container, and simple food provisions. In terms of usability, the kit's crossbody bag and mole-ready design make it easy to attach to a larger pack or vehicle setup, which is highly valuable for car first responders or home preparedness. The inclusion of a bright red first aid pouch and a medical information card supports quick access during emergencies. On the downside, the sheer volume of items can complicate quick access to truly mission-critical pieces in high-stress situations, and the weight, at about 2.7 kilograms or 6 pounds, suggests it's targeted for immediate carry rather than prolonged off-grid use. List number 3. Emergency Zone 2. Emergency Zone's 72-hour kit targets 2-person readiness with a strong emphasis on shelf-stable food and water, including 3,600-calorie SOS bars and water pouches, plus a collapsible water container and clo flock for water purification and clarity. The package also provides a comprehensive first aid set, a lightweight shelter system, sleeping bags, tube tent, and hygiene items packaged to function as a car or home grab-and-go kit. This product is notable for its clear emphasis on a ready-to-consume food strategy and multiple water options within a compact form factor. From a performance perspective, the kit excels in urban to suburban scenarios where you expect to shelter in place or need a quick, self-contained solution for a 2-person household. The inclusion of hygiene items and emergency shelter components improves quality of life during a disruption. However, the price point at $219.99 makes it a premium option within the category, and there is limited explicit detail on the exact shelf life of all food items beyond the stated 5-year shelf life claim. Still, the overall value proposition is strong for users prioritizing all-in-one readiness with a focus on warmth and shelter.
List number 4. Survival Kit.
HiHD presents a 250-piece survival kit, emphasizing a broad range of tools, a folding axe, a folding shovel, a tent, a 1000D nylon MOLLE-compatible bag, and a bright red first aid set. The kit's design centers on modularity and compatibility with MOLLE systems, enabling attachment to larger packs or belts for field use. Aimed at hikers, campers, and car travelers, the kit combines medical gear with tactical items in a single package designed to cover shelter, warmth, signaling, and basic field repairs. In practice, HiHD's kit stands out for its durable bag material and the breadth of included hardware, making it a strong all-around companion for bug-out scenarios and off-grid excursions. The 4.5-star rating and high user engagement suggests solid performance. However, as with many 250-piece kits, the distribution of value across items varies. Some gear may be of basic quality, while critical items like fire starter or signaling devices may require occasional replacement or upgrade to meet user-specific standards.
List number 5. Survival Kit. KNVI Bin offers a 250-piece survival kit in a compact crossbody bag featuring a mix of trauma first aid components, a tent, a flashlight, a rope, a whistle, and a multifunctional axe. The kit emphasizes rapid wound care with a fast access trauma pouch and focuses on portability with a crossbody design. It is positioned as a ready-to-go kit for earthquakes, bug-out scenarios, and outdoor adventures, making it a practical gift and everyday carry option for families. Performance-wise, KNVI Bin's kit provides essential first aid readiness with a fast access pouch and tourniquet, which is critical in both home and vehicle emergencies. The inclusion of 250 items in a compact form factor makes organization important. Users should implement a quick sort for frequently used items. The 1-year warranty adds peace of mind for buyers who want a low-friction purchase, but the lack of explicit shelf life data for non-medical consumables means you may want to verify food, if any, and water provisions post-purchase.